you ready to go? So if you can share it in global group, and if you can share in community group, that would be great. And everywhere else, obviously. So I'm gonna get ready to go for it now. First, I will show you the moves, okay? Oh, just that Zumba toning. Oh, good. Well done, D. D is the strongest out of all the instructors, I would say. So, yeah. Okay, so first move, first song, and few moves there. So first one is my favorite from SJ's choreography. Two fists going 1, 2, ta ta ta. So it's 1, ka ka, and then open with the fingers like this. Ooh, magic. O, Edyta! Siemanko. Okay, so 1, 2, and ka ka. 1, ta ta ha ha. 1, ka ka ha. Okay, so at the same time you gotta be whining. Okay. No, Edyta chyba też chce tańczyć. Everyone, you said Edyta to do some dancing because I'm sure she hasn't done for a while. Okay, now mash it up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 ka 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 ka. Okay, now I love this move. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you, SG, for doing it. So we're gonna do it 4 times, but don't worry too much about it. Next one, you're going to step touch to the side. Just think about, just go to side, don't worry too much. Arms go up. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go. So it's like, yeah. So there's few versions I've seen people doing it. They go either like this or they go around. So it's totally up to you how you're gonna feel it. Okay? You go side to side and go yeah, and then again side to side and you go yeah. Okay? We're gonna do this twice, so it's 16 counts as well. Now next one, it's one of my favorite, the Juki Jam I think it's called. So your head is to the side, you're gonna step to the front, 3 steps and back. So you go 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, back. Now your arm's gonna go like this. And you go, so it's like a zombie a little bit for me. And then you can add your hips if you want to. And then it's at the side. 1, 2, 3, ka. 1, 2, 3, ka. Okay? So, this is first. Step touch to the side. And yeah. This is 2. This is 3. One side, twice, then other side. Okay? And then you go one, one, one. Okay? Again, a few times. And 2 more steps here. Now the next one, you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you bring your arm in, at the same time you push your hips back. Okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then you go 5, 6, 7, 8. So arms making circles, and you whine at the same time. Okay, so you go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, doesn't matter which side, which arm you going, just go and have fun. We go what now? We're going to do it a lot. Okay, so it's the first this. Just follow me. Second time, second repetition of the whole choreo routine. We're gonna add 1 step here. Just out into this side, out into this side, out into this side, out into this side. Okay, nice and slow. Only second time. I'm not gonna confuse you even more. So. Second time I'm gonna do this twice as well. This and this, but don't worry. Right, you ready to go, guys? You ready to go? You ready? You ready? Well, I say you better stand up then. Right, I'm gonna play the music, and I'll just. Oh, it's not connected. You wanna practice? There's nothing to practice. You got it already, guys, yeah? Thumbs up. You ready? Yes, no. Again, you just have to follow me, you know. I can't remember properly myself, so don't worry. But I really like this song. So, where's the music? Where's the music? Where is the music? Where's the music? So guys, it is not connecting. It was connecting. Go, you ready? Okay, no one's saying okay. Yeah, it will be playing now, it will be playing now. Get ready, get ready. I really like this song. It's nice, na 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 na. You maybe heard it before. Of course, when we need to do it, it's not working, isn't it? Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, sorry. Sorry! Let's go again. One, this is first one. I'm going to do it 4 times. Second one. Oh, yeah. Okay. Second one to the side. Second one to the side with the head. Other side with the head. Hips and kick, 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 kick. And then side to side with the wine. Okay? Go guys, let's smash it. Let's go. Woo. This one is nice and easy. This one is nice and easy. Woo. Again, from the top. Hey. Woo. You ready?
Oh my darling, oh my darling.
Oh, Andy! How are you guys doing? Whew. Okay. Let's pause this. So hopefully Facebook is not going to switch me off. Whew. How are you guys doing? You ready for round 2? Second track? Hope you guys ready. I'll show you the moves. This one is even easier. But you just repeat, repeat, repeat what we're going to do. Okay, so first moves. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So arms easy. And then just relax your upper body. Okay, down, down. Then you go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, down, down, and up. Cha, cha, cha. You're sweating, guys. You're sweating. Yes, Fabi, yes. Next. So fresh, so clean. Love this step. So old. So first you start with the heels. Imagine you want to kick your bum with your heel. So you go like this, and then you're gonna go to the side. So if it's your right leg, you're going to the left. Okay? You go 1, 2, and then you take the dust off your leg. And then you go with your left. Ga, ga, ga. Ga, ga, ga. Ga, ga, ga. And it's a little bit like, okay, so have fun with it. Don't just be stiff. Relax, and go crazy and silly and everything. Okay. Now next move, we're gonna do backwards. So it's tsunami rock. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to go down, arms up, and you go in with your hips. Belly button in. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. So arms to the side, and then bounce with it. Okay. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3. Now here you can do wine if you want to, or you can do hips bumping. Okay. And 2 more step knockings. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee up. Ha, ha, ha. Nice and easy steps. Go, go. Knee up. Then relax. Hey, hey. Use your hips and your body. Go up and down. Keep it going. Hey, how we doing? It's gonna be slowish, I think. And last step, it's go for. So your position is like this. Okay, good. Okay, and you start from your hips. So it's not the whole body away from your chest. It's, I can't breathe, guys. It's your hips, okay? I'm okay. So it's a hip, so it's that back hip mostly using. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you're gonna be one side and then the other. Oh, thanks Jojo. Thanks Joanna. Thanks Katie. Please do one side and then change. Okay? So from the top we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. The one where you're gonna repeat loads and loads in the song. Then you go so fresh, so clean. Go again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tsunami rock. Remember hips. And 1, 2, 3, and ups. You can do wine. No kings and 1, 2. Slow and slow and slow and slow. So everything is twice, but this is right, left, right, left. Otherwise, everything else we're doing twice. Okay? You ready, guys? You ready? This is an old song, old dance hall, old school. Oh, hey, Mona! Yes. So the sound effects, if you want to do it, it's just like okay here, and here's like okay. If you want to know. Because you have to feel it, okay? It goes from this here, and you go Go like this. Okay, you ready to go? You ready for the song? You ready? You ready? Anyone? Yeah, Papa's always ready. Papa's ready. Who's laughing at me? Who's laughing? I'm just gonna play this music then. Right, let's do it, guys. One more song. Remember to relax, have fun. Don't worry if you how it looks like, or you know, if you forget. No one cares. No one really. Right, ready. Hey! What was the next one? Oh, yeah. This is Hold Me by Melloquence and ElephantMan. Woo! Thanks guys, oh my gosh, I'm feeling so much better. How are you guys? You feeling better? Dee was laughing at my sound effect and Ivona, thanks. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get sweaty. You get sweaty? I did get sweaty. Can you see my eyebrows? Dripping. Ah, cool. Okay. So tomorrow's Carolina from Leicester. Thursday, Isabel. And Friday is Jay. Saturday, Pavi from Germany. Sunday, Sarah from UK again. I think Monday is Rob, guys. Monday is Rob. So you make sure you don't miss. If you miss it, it stays on the page. So just go back to it anytime during the day. You're gonna remember like, oh, I forgot. Who was that one? So you go back to it, you do it, you share it with everyone else, so we can all spread good news, good vibes. Good news is we have good vibes. Oh, thank you, Joe. Thanks, Yvonne. Thanks, Angie. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining us, and just keep sharing because I feel much better. I bet you feel much better now, and every day someone else is gonna make you feel better. So we just want to spread it to everyone, and then you can win as well 1 month free membership for the online classes for December. So everyone can join. All you need to do is just share, and enjoy it. Thank you, Sharon. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. I don't want to stop, but if I'm going to start playing more, the face is going to cut us off anyway. So have a lovely day, and join us tomorrow with Carolina. Lovely. Love you. Bye.